replace a drive shaft, some other doohickeys, maybe adjust the clutch, maybe look at his computer, see what's going on inside the truck. So I think I brought everything today, but not quite sure because, well, sometimes they throw wrenches in there and, you know, kind of mess up your plans a little bit. But I'm up here. Well, when you go to remove the yoke, because I have to do a carrier bearing on this truck too, got the rear drive shaft already moved. There's the carrier bearing. You can see my homemade tool I used to remove them, but it's very important, and I almost forgot it. You need one of these. You want to mark inside here and there, so you put it back on the exact same timing. So as you can tell, right here, we'll place a mark right in there like that. Then I'll place a mark up inside on the exact same spot, or close to the same spot. If you do this before you start trying to tear it apart, it's better, then it'll go. So there's a tip for you guys. When doing these, especially when you have this homemade tool that I have, is really helpful. I don't know, let's see if we can get it up so you can see it. Okay, it's really helpful. You twist it until it gets tight, and get some wax, break the rust free. So, like I was saying, you just want to make sure you tap it a little bit, freeze it up so it can come off there. Oh, by the way, when you go put it back together, a little bit of cleaning with a wire brush and some Never Seez. They'll make this job a lot easier for the next guy. When doing your bearing, if you don't clean that shaft up like that and put some Never Seez on it, you might as well leave it to someone else, because you're going to fight it next time, and the next guy might even have more fun with it. And I've seen them where guys have had them stuck on there good enough, they've just replaced the entire shaft. Look at that beautiful sunset. Benefits of being a mobile mechanic is you get to work outside and see beautiful things like this. Look at that. Just walked into Colorado. Look how beautiful that is. As you can tell, the road needs some work, but we won't go there. Well, this is John. I'm in the old black truck, and I'm with my beautiful wife. We're gonna go and get some tires that were given to us. Well, most likely we just want the rims of it, but we're gonna pick those up. I gotta drop her off. She just got a set of tires put on her van, so there we go. Well, as you can see, these are the perps of having your own little wrecker right there. Oh, my homemade beauty. It is even hydraulic. There's a couple other guys that build their own wreckers, and that's great and all, but I have hydraulics on mine, which makes, sometimes it makes it easier, other times just makes things more complicated. Yep, like right there. Don't know what it hit, but don't sound good. It just stands up. I hit that right back there. There's not a whole lot back here you can rip off and destroy. If it has been, I've already ripped it off and destroyed it. But we're gonna go ahead and bust the lugs off that wheel there, because these rims are good. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up these rims and sell them, or something in that nature. Clean them up, put some better rubber on them, because this rubber here is, well, quite frankly, kind of sad. And I got some good tires sitting over there, and tires sell a lot easier if they have rubber on them. So on that notion, you guys are gonna miss it, but I'm gonna fire up the air compressor. It's gonna make a lot of noise. No one's gonna be able to hear me, so I might as well shut the video off.